A little cool, but only one day this upcoming week. We do have a big warm up. Unseasonable warmth really going to be dominating the picture here as we move into this upcoming week here across the state. Let's take a look at what we have going on outside this evening. Finally got rid of those clouds. It took a little bit longer than expected, but those clouds are slowly but surely clearing out, and we'll have a mostly clear evening and into the overnight hours. Temperatures are dropping back into the 30s here this evening with northwest winds at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Those winds will increase though, especially after midnight as a cold front comes through. We're talking northwest winds upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour with those gusts higher than that. So that will make those feels like temperatures really drop off pretty good. There are those clouds that continue to exit the state this evening. There are a few more streaming in from the northwest, but I think will be more partly cloudy overnight than mostly cloudy like we saw today. The front that we've been watching all day is currently off to the northwest into parts of southwest Minnesota, southeast South Dakota. Once that comes through in the next couple of hours, you will definitely notice as those winds increase. We could see a stray snow shower or snow flurry with that activity, but the big thing will be those gusty winds and the colder temperatures tomorrow morning, starting out in the mid to low 20s across the state, and wind chills will be down into the single digits for a few hours during the morning hours as well. We stay in the 30s tomorrow afternoon, but those winds will settle down as high pressure moves across the state. And then on Tuesday, the high starts to move off to the east. We start out pretty cold in the morning with temperatures in the teens and 20s, but southerly winds warm us back up Tuesday afternoon. We'll work our way back into the lower 40s with a few passing clouds during the day on Tuesday. A closer look at the wind forecast here this evening. Again, after 9-10 o'clock, we're expecting those gusts to really pick up 35 to 45 miles per hour across the state. Tomorrow morning, a lot of wind as well, especially central and eastern Iowa, where we could see gusts over 40 miles per hour. But after the noon hour tomorrow, we'll start to see a marked decrease in those winds as high pressure moves overhead. And then on Tuesday, we're expecting another windy day, but again, that time the winds come out of the south, bringing back some warmer air. Speaking of warmer air, we're expecting temperatures to go way above average here this upcoming week after Tuesday. By Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're looking at temperatures that will be 15 to 20 degrees above average during the day. And it's possible here, especially as we get into that Friday, Saturday time frame, we could be looking at near record warm low temperatures as nights will be above freezing. And you look at where we sit so far this month, we're running way above normal for the month of December. Temperatures over 7 degrees above normal for this time of year, giving us the 14th warmest start to the year on record. Rain chances will increase as we move into the latter part of the week. We're looking at an area of low pressure that will come up from the southwest, giving us those rain chances as we move into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But until then, just a lot of warm air moving back in for the middle part of the week. Clouds will increase late Wednesday into Thursday, maybe a few showers Thursday night into Friday. But as of now, those better rain chances will arrive as we move into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of next week.